Okay, once again, and we are here to discuss the important problem based on definite integrals from your NCERT book and over the concept of definite integration using the property. Using the property, how can you find out? Okay, the integration, definite integration using the property. Okay, and it is here we are going to discuss exercise 7.11, 7.11 from your NCERT book. Okay, here is the first question and we are going to discuss for you. Okay, let's see. I hope all of you you are looking forward with eagerness, with interest. I hope, and you will follow the class and also practice it. Okay, and we are going to discuss very important vital questions for you and for your turn to examination. Let's see. Question number 1. Here you have to find out the integration 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. Okay. Understand? Integration of 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. Here is the problem. Let the integration I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. And are you able to see here? Here we are using a property, important properties of the definite integral. What is that? Integration of 0 to a fx dx is equal to integration of 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So using this property, we are going to find out, okay, the integration of the questions. Question number 1, let's see. Now see, we can write let I is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. This is the, let us suppose this is equation number 1. Okay. Similarly, let I is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2. You can write cos square, yes, pi upon 2 minus x dx. Using these properties, integration of 0 to a fx dx is equal to integration of 0 to a f of a minus x. Here the upper limit is a, here the upper limit is pi by 2. So in place of a, we can write pi by 2. Okay. So integration of 0 to pi by 2 cos square pi by 2 minus x dx. Okay. That implies I is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2 and cos pi by 2 minus theta. All of you know cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Similarly, cos square pi by 2 minus theta is equal to sin square theta. Similar manner. So cos square pi by 2 minus x is equal to sin square x dx. Is it clear? And this is the equation number 2. Now equation 1 and adding equation 1. Here you see equation 1 is that I is equal to integration of 0 to pi upon 2 cos square x dx. An interesting question. This is the equation number 1 we got. And second equation I is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin square x dx. This is the equation number 2. Now let us add equation 1 and 2. Let us add equation 1 and 2. After adding equation 1 and 2, here you see I plus I 2y and 2y is equal to integration of 0 to pi upon 2 cos square x dx plus integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin square x dx. So integration of 0 to pi by 2 can be taken as common and it will be, okay, and it will be sin square x plus cos square x dx. On adding equation 1 and 2 is get. Okay. Understand or not? Okay. So integration of 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx plus integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin square x dx, which is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2, okay, sin square x plus cos square x dx. On adding. So that implies you see. And you know sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So can you write here the integration of 0 to pi by 2 is 1 into dx. Yes. Is it clear? Understand? So let's see here. So you can easily understand here. Now see. Look at here. The 2y is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2 dx. So what is the integration of dx? All of you know x. Okay. And 0 to pi by 2. So that implies 2y is equal to what? Okay, it will be pi by 2 minus 0. That implies 2i is equal to pi by 2 and I is equal to what? Pi upon 4. Hence we got I is equal to pi over 4 and we have taken I means what? Integration of thus we got integration of 0 to pi by 2 is cos square x dx is equal to pi upon 4. Understand or not? Yes. So very simple questions and very important vital property we are using here. Integral, remember and note down here which property we are using of the definite integral 0 to a integration of 0 to a fx dx is equal to 0 integration of 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Okay, understand all of you? Yes. Okay, just follow. Thank you. Okay, dear students, another question I am going to discuss here, question number 2 of your NCERT book. Okay, and here you are going to find out the problem based on definite integrals using the property. And here is the question number 2 is that we have to find out the integration 0 to pi by 2 sin x root over divided by root over of sin x plus square root of cos x. Okay, understand? Let's see how to find out similar process using the property of integration of 0 to a fx dx is equal to integration of 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Okay, let's see here. So now let I is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin x root over divided by sin x plus root over plus cos x root over dx. Let this is equation number 1. Okay, again you can rewrite using the property. This integration can be written integration of I is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2. Now you can see, what can you see here? Yes, we can write sin x root over can written as sin pi by 2 minus x root over. Similarly, sin of pi by 2 minus x root over plus cos pi by 2 minus x root over. Understand or not? Yes. Okay, so that implies we are getting I is equal to integration of 0 to pi upon 2. Yes, and it is, look at here, sin pi by 2 minus x, which is equal to cos x root over. Similarly, here it will be cos x root over plus cos pi by 2 minus x, which is sin x root over, all of you know, and here dx. Let's see, this is equation number 2. Now you have to add equation 1 and 2. Add equation 1 and 2, right? And equation 1 is that I is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin root x divided by sin x root x plus root over of cos x dx. And in equation 2 is that I is equal to 0 to integration of 0 to pi by 2. Okay, cos x root over divided by cos x root over plus sin x root over dx. Now let us add equation 1 and 2. Now you see I plus I, it will be 2i. Okay, and integration of 0 to pi by 2. On adding it will get what? Sin x root over divided by cos x root over. Okay, here equation 1 is there. Sin x root over plus cos x root over, yes, plus similarly equation 2 cos x root over divided by sin x root over plus cos x root over dx. Understand? Okay, is it clear? Now that implies 2i is equal to integration of 0 to pi upon 2. If you take the LCM, it will be sin x root over plus cos x root over. Okay, understand? So numerator will be sin x root over plus cos x root over. Understand? And this is dx. Is it clear? Okay. Now let's see. Now 2y, that implies 2y is equal to integration of 0 to pi upon 2. Okay, this can be cancelled. We can cancel this one. Okay, so the value will be 1 dx. It will be 1 dx. It will be 1 dx. Okay, and that is equal to, that implies 2y. Okay, here 2y is equal to how much? Okay, it will be x. Integration of dx is what? X, and which is 0 to pi by 2, and this value will be pi by 2 minus 0. So that implies 2y is equal to pi by 2, and that implies I is equal to pi upon 4. Okay, so hence we got integration of required value, hence integration of 0 to pi upon 2 sin x root over divided by sin x root over plus cos x root over dx is equal to pi by 4, and this is the value of the given integration. Understand? Is it clear? Okay. Okay, look at. Understand or not? Okay, let's practice it. Okay, another questions we are going to discuss. Question number 3 of an ancient book, exercise 7.11. Okay, and here we are going to find out the integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power 3 by 2x divided by sin to the power 3 by 2x plus cos to the power 3 by 2x dx. Okay, let's see. So let, in a similar manner, let I is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2. So sin 3 upon 2x divided by sin 3 upon 2x plus cos to the power 3 upon 2x dx. Let this value is equation number 1. Okay, and now let us use the property. Using this property, what? Integration of 0 to a fx dx is equal to integration of 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Same property you have to use. Okay, so we can write at I is equal to integration of 0 to pi upon 2. Okay, sin to the power 3 by 2, which is pi by 2 minus x divided by sin to the power 3 by 2 pi by 2 minus x plus cos to the power 3 by 2 pi by 2 minus x. Understand or not? Using this property. Understand? And this value will be integration of 0 to pi by 2. And you see sin pi by 2 minus x is cos pi by cos x. So it will be cos to the power 3 by 2x divided by, now you see the sin to the power 3 by 2 pi by 2 minus x means sin pi by 2 minus x, it will be cos s. So cos 3 by 2 minus cos 3 by 2x plus sin to the power 3 by 2x, right, dx. Understand? And this is the equation number suppose 2. Okay, let's see. The I is equal to integration from 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power 3 by 2x divided by sin to the power 3 by 2 sin to the power 3 by 2x plus cos to the power 3 by 2x. This is equation 1. And second equation we got I is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power 3 by 2x divided by cos to the power 3 by 2x plus sin to the power 3 by 2x. Now let us add equation 1 and 2. And okay, whenever you are adding the equation 1 and 2, we have to add LHS to LHS and RHS to RHS. Now you see I plus I is 2i, and here integration of 0 to pi by 2. Yes, and adding what will happen? You see it will be sin to the power 3 by 2x divided by sin to the power 3 by 2x plus cos to the power 3 by 2x plus and cos to the power 3 by 2x divided by sin to the power 3 by 2x plus cos to the power 3 by 2x. x. Is it clear? And this is dx. Understand or not? Now you can write also 2y integration of 0 to pi upon 2. Okay. So it will be, you see, here the denominator is sin to the power 3 by 2x plus cos to the power 3 by 2x. Okay. So it will be, the denominator will be same, sin to the power 3 by 2x plus cos to the power 3 by 2x. Okay. Understand or not? And the numerator will be sin to the power 3 by 2x plus cos to the power 3 by 2x dx. Now you can clearly see, and this numerator denominator same, we can cancel, and after cancellation it will be integration of 0 to pi by 2, okay, 1 into dx, and which is integration of 1 into dx, it will be x, what, 0 to pi by 2, integration of dx is x, so and that is equal to, that implies 2y is equal to how much? Okay, understand? Now you are using the values of x, in place of x we can write pi by 2 minus 0, it will be pi upon 2 minus 0, which is pi by 2, hence that implies I is equal to, it will be pi by 4, and this is the required values of the given integral. Thus we got integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power 3 by 2x divided by sin to the power 3 by 2x plus cos to the power 3 by 2x is equal to pi by 4 dx. And this is the required answer. Is it clear? Understand? Okay. Okay, note down all of you. And also practice. And you understand how we are finding the values of the integration, definite integral using the property. Okay, integration of 0 to a fx dx, integration of 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Is it clear? Okay, just follow. Thank you.